Everyone has a problem with passwords. And you know you shouldn't use the same login credentials on multiple sites, unless you want to become a victim of identity theft. But the more unique passwords we have, the harder they all are to remember, so we save them in Word docs or spreadsheets. But files can get deleted or overwritten. Worse yet, you could lose all your passwords in a hard drive crash. Some of us save them in our browsers, our online databases with so-called secure password managers. But we all know they aren't really secure and are frequent targets of hackers. So what do we do to keep our passwords unique and safe? Welcome to WordCrypt, the patented password encryptor that works on any device with nothing to install, no user registration, and no password or user database whatsoever. You are completely anonymous and always will be. Just click our icon in the password field of any participating website. Use your own secret phrase and secret number to submit your unique encrypted password exclusively for that site. Come back in 5 minutes or 5 years. Use your same secret phrase and PIN number, and you'll generate and submit that same encrypted password just for that site. Wow! Easy! Problem solved. WordCrypt, the free, secure, anonymous solution for managing all your complex passwords. See for yourself at wordcrypt.com.